So I was talking to a client yesterday, and female, 50 years old. She got a policy for herself, and she had a question that was kind of interesting. I wanted to share with you guys. She asked me, "Is the coverage going to start today?" I said, "Yeah, absolutely. As soon as the first draft is done, as soon as they draft the first premium, the policy will become active, and you're covered immediately." So she said something about her mother got a policy several years back, and she said she had to wait 2 years or something. She wasn't quite 100% sure of with her question. I said yes. It's called graded policy. What happened is when someone at the age of 70, 80, 90, or whatever, they want to get a policy for a burial policy. It's called final expense policy. You can use it for cremation or um, uh, uh, traditional burial. Those policies, when there's a 24 months, it's called contestable period. And during that period, if the client dies, what they do, the insurance company will refund back the premiums plus 10%. So if your payment, say $100, and you're in the policy, say 13 months, so you get back $1,300, and also you get 10% on top. But if you die after the 2 years, and your face value or your death benefit, say 50,000, you would collect the beneficiaries will collect the full $50,000. Those policies are referred to as graded policies, which means based on your actuarial table, they assume when in your 70s and 80s and 90s, when you're past 70, basically, the chance of you dying or something happening to you is very high. And that's why they always want to have the contestable period, which is the first 24 months. I hope that clarifies that. If you guys have any question, please leave them below. And if you want to start your insurance policy today, 910-447-6508. I was able to do, just to give you guys a rough estimate, so the policy that I wrote for this lady was 500,000, half a million, for $250. She's healthy, non-smoker, and she's 50 or 51, I don't remember. But if you just, I hope that gives you guys just a general idea on how that works. And as soon as you make the first payment, as soon as the first payment's drafted, you're covered immediately. And there's no contestable period. If you get your policy today and you get sick, or you get into an accident, or you die, if you die, your beneficiaries will collect the death benefit. If you get sick, you collect the face value while you're alive, because all the policies that I offer come with living benefits. Best of luck. Do it today while you're young and healthy, and I would love to help you guys. Call me. I don't want to say guys, I need to stop saying that. I'd love to help you, the person that's watching this video. I want you to have the foresight and get your policy. Oh, and I want to share something with you guys before I leave. I was talking to another lady, another client a couple of days ago, and I told her I wrote up a policy for a young lady that's 27 years old. She goes, "Oh my God, 27 years old?" I said, "Yeah, that's the best time to get a policy, because when you're young, you can get $2 million for under $100. But a 50-year-old female, if she would get a $2 million policy, would be about $1,200. So you guys see the difference? We're talking $100 to $1,200 for a $2 million policy. So get it while you're young and healthy. Don't wait till late. Tomorrow is not promised. We're not gods. We don't know how long we're going to live, or when the accident's going to happen, or when the sickness is going to come. Again, I want to emphasize on the living benefits. All the policies that I offer come with living benefits, which mean in the event of major sickness or major accident, you can collect your face value or your death benefit while you're alive, to use it however you like. You can use it to go on a vacation. You can use it to pay off the house, pay off the car, put money in the bank, take care of the spouse, take care of the children. You do with it as you will. And also, one thing I want to say, I'm going to say it 4 times. It's tax-free, 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 tax-free. There's nothing out there that's tax-free, only life insurance. That's why a lot of banks, they have billions and billions and billions of dollars in life insurance policies, because what they do, they take insurance policies on their employees, and they are the main beneficiary. When something happened to the employees, a sickness, accident, or death, the bank collects the money, and that helps them. They use that cash to offset employees' benefits. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Comment Well Life, and I will reach out to you personally, and I will educate you. This is a free phone call. Call me. Let me show you what you're eligible for, and get insurance. You don't want to wait for the house to burn down to get insurance on it. Get the insurance first and make sure you're protected. And if the house burns down, then you're good. Do it while you're young and healthy. Call me today. I would love to help you. Have a great day and best of luck.
Did you know that medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy and even divorce? One unexpected illness can wipe out your savings, put your family in debt, and create stress that damages relationships. But it doesn't have to be that way. With life insurance that includes living benefits, you can access tax-free money while you're still alive to help with medical bills, lost income, or other urgent needs. Start young, lock in a low rate, and protect your future while you're still healthy. Call or text me at 910-447-6508 to get started today.